Down there is the top of a dense tropical jungle. As it happens, the location is Hawaii, but it could be Southeast Asia or South America or any other jungle area, and it's not much of a spot to land a helicopter. Not unless you spend a lot of time, too much time, clearing away towering trees and tangled undergrowth. Yet, today's Army must be able to function under just such a jungle canopy as this, with timely helicopter support. So what do? Land on the tops of the trees? In a word, yes, at least the next thing to it. What you're about to see is a demonstration of a new concept in helicopter support over jungle terrain. The experimental innovation is called the Jungle Canopy Platform System, and it begins with the laying of long strips of netting on the tops of the jungle trees. Two such nets, sometimes three, crisscross one another to provide stable support for an amazing amount of payload, as you'll see in a moment. Next, a crew of men drops onto the nets to get ready for the completion of the installation. The final element of the system is this platform. It weighs some 800 pounds and is 18 feet across. Once it is delivered to the foundation of nets at treetop level, it's ready to become the focal point of what is, quite literally, a treetop heliport. All that has to be done now is to level the platform, which the crew can quickly do by adjusting built-in screw jacks in the legs of the platform. Then word is radioed to the copter that the platform is secure and ready for approach. First, the platform shows how it can be used as a debarkation point for fully equipped troops. Using a special braking device on their ropes, the troops rappel swiftly down from the platform to the jungle floor with their weapons. The platform can also serve as a casualty evacuation heliport. A special litter is used to give the simulated casualty all-round protection from branches on his way to the platform above. Ordinarily, such a casualty would have had to be carried out overland, or wait for airlift until a large clearing could be cut into the jungle. But with this treetop platform, he can be on his way in minutes. So, in these tests on Hawaii's jungle treetops, the new concept shows definite promise. Formally designated the Jungle Canopy Platform, the new treetop heliport may well prove valuable as the Army continues its never-ending search for ways to improve its ability to move and communicate and carry the fighting to the enemy, wherever he may be found.